have a passport? If you don't have a passport, you can't get in. Y'all, we're in these people's grocery store. They got, oh, see, look, they got Vaseline. Damn. I need this. So we're in their grocery store. They got some American. They got Pepto Bismol, everything. Hola. I need help. I'm raising my hand. I'm trying to get something. We're just waiting. This man right here, I'm gonna get him on video. Hola. Keep walking over here and stopping. Hola. Oh. No, I'm talking to him. Hold on, y'all. We're gonna be right back. Why does it look like that now? Good morning, my good people. Good morning. It is day 4. Yeah, today's day 4. We are headed to the pool and the beach. I got my orange. Ow. Yeah. I got my cheetah and my black and my little fedora. And my shades. So we leave. That food we had yesterday, y'all, was good. It was so good I couldn't even show y'all because we needed to eat like really, really bad. Everybody has to eat really, really bad apparently. So we're gonna try to catch a little bit of sun. Because it does rain a lot here. So FYI, if you want to come to Panama, city Panama, the country, it rains 9 months out of a 12-year period. We did not know that until we got on the bus to be transported to the villa or the resort. But it's fine. We've been making the best out of it. Prayer works. So we've been making the best out of it. Look good. We look good. Oh, and our room is super far, so I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get to our destination, because we got a little journey to go. Coconut and like the shit, put the weed in the coconut and like the shit, put the weed in the coconut, like the shit. I did, but then I thought it was coming up anyway. Our first drink, 9:30, 10 in the morning. Gotta go to work. Guns out, buns out. I'm that girl. Period. Yeah, that Jose Cuervo. Yeah. Cause I feel it. Yeah. Like, out of all the shots we had for me to just have a drink. Thank you. Me either. Well, maybe who do you know that take cousin vacations out the country, not to Miami, not to Florida. We in Panama. The big one, not the little one. The big one, not the little one. You gotta have your passport to be here. Not just for ID. Need a passport to get here. Do you have a passport? Do you have a passport? If you don't have a passport, you can't get in. And we're giving body. And we're giving melanin. Little booties matter. Natural body. Hip dip. Let me tell you, I got hip dips. Hip dips are natural. It's normal for us to have hip dips. It's normal, ladies. It's normal. Everybody don't have hips. I'm a part of the hip dip community. Okay, yeah, this looks good. We got the palm trees.
We got the bodies.
We got the bodies out. Of course, we got the... Oh, here we go. Let's refocus. Okay, water. We got the sun out. We got the waters out. We got the sun out, bun out. You see him? I ain't even see him on him. So we already done had 2 drinks. So this is us after 2 drinks. Scale of 1 to 10. I'm a 5, so we're 5. It's only 10 something. These people watching us, but we don't care. Cause real bodies matter. Sun is out. Y'all don't understand. It wasn't like this. And we're thankful to Big G.O.D. Shout out to you, Big G.O.D. Cause we appreciate this. Cause regardless, we was making the best out of it. But you know, with the sun, this is what we was waiting on. But we was thankful for what we had, because you got to be thankful. Because at the end of the day, we're still out of the country. We're still eating and drinking all we want to. We're still looking good. Still having a great time. The name of this trip is turning lemons into lemonade. That's our theme. Okay? Huh? Yeah, we're supposed to be going out tonight. So, I look real Cuban. With the hat, the glasses, little side boob. La 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 la. Shh. Living my life. How did I be getting that boob tape out, y'all? My boobs look good. I see why the girls be wearing boob tape. Okay. So